Hi, to kick off topics I mentioned in the introduction video, let's start with a fundamental question. What is cancer and how does it begin? Cancer is a disease caused by genetic abnormalities, but unlike those in inherited disorders, cancer-related abnormalities are acquired. They arise during life, not at birth. To better understand what this means, we first need to know what genes are. Genes are portions of DNA stored in the nucleus of our cells that encode how our bodies are built and function. However, not all regions of DNA are genes. Only the parts that can be expressed to produce functional molecules are called genes. Each gene has a specific role, and the humans have over 20,000 of them. Then, what does gene expression mean? Gene expression is the process of using the information in a gene to produce protein. It involves two steps: transcription, where the DNA is copied into mRNA, and the translation, where the mRNA is used to build a specific protein. When this process occurs, we say the gene is expressed, and these expressed proteins help build our body and keep it working properly. One key point here is that biological activity is never steady. Our cells constantly respond to changes in their environment, so gene expression must be carefully regulated to match these changing conditions. To do this, each gene has a regulatory region, and the cells use control systems that act on these regions. These systems monitor the body and adjust the gene expression as needed by increasing, decreasing, or even stopping it altogether. However, DNA is a delicate molecule and can be damaged over time. One reason is that DNA must be copied during cell division, and the errors, called the replication errors, can occur in this process. These happen roughly once in every million copying events. Another cause of DNA damage is exposure to harmful agents, such as ionizing radiation, UV light, certain chemicals, and the reactive oxygen species. Moreover, even parts of the DNA can be cleaved out for various reasons. Despite these risks, most of us stay healthy because our cells are equipped with powerful DNA repair systems that detect and fix damage before it causes serious problems. But sometimes DNA repair fails. When it does, it can lead to abnormal gene expression. The effect depends on where the damage occurs. If it happens in a gene's coding region, it may produce mutated or truncated protein. If the damage affects a regulatory region, the gene might become overactive, underactive, or completely shut off. So, abnormal gene expression can lead to the unregulation, downregulation, alteration, or even loss of a gene's normal function. Then, what happens when gene expression goes wrong? That depends on the type of gene involved and the nature of the mutation. Sometimes the mutation has a little to no effect, especially if the gene is not critical or its function can be compensated by other genes. But in other cases, mutations can have serious consequences. For instance, changes in behavior regulating genes may cause behavioral disorders, and the mutations in growth regulating genes can lead to growth abnormalities. And when mutation affects a specific group of genes, they can lead to cancer. These are known as cancer-related genes or cancer regulators. So, what exactly are these genes? And how do they contribute to the development of cancer? We will explore these questions in next video. Thank you for watching.